The United States has implemented a sweeping 44% tariff on all imports from Sri Lanka. So here's the implications. Currently, 40% of Sri Lanka's apparel exports and 30% of our rubber exports go to the United States markets. These sectors are about to take a significant hit. Our analysis estimates that over time, these tariffs could cost Sri Lanka between $350 to $400 million in lost export earnings. This impact comes through two main channels. First, there's reduced American demand. With these tariffs making goods more expensive in the United States, US consumers are expected to buy about 10% less apparel. That alone translates to a $210 million annual loss for our apparel industry. Second, we're likely to see some relocation of orders to nations where tariffs are more favorable. Cal anticipates approximately 15% of current apparel orders may shift to competing countries like Bangladesh, India, or African nations where tariff rates are lower. However, it's not all bad news. About 40% of our apparel exports require higher skilled manufacturing capability, meaning they cannot easily be manufactured elsewhere. This gives us a crucial 1.5 to 2 year buffer period before companies could realistically move a more substantial amount of their production overseas. The broader implications are serious. Remember, Sri Lanka's garment sector employs about 15% of our industrial workforce. If these tariffs remain in place long term, we could see substantial losses and factory closures that would drag down our overall economic growth, particularly as manufacturers will see margins narrowing since retailers will pass on only a portion of their cost increases. On the positive side, global oil prices have been falling. This could save Sri Lanka between $300 to $500 million on our import bills, which helps offset some of the trade imbalance caused by these tariffs. Looking ahead, the situation remains uncertain. The full impact will depend on how long these tariffs stay in effect and whether our trade negotiations can secure any exemptions or compromises. We'll be keeping you informed as the story evolves.